Hi, this is Regitze Simonsen. Today I'm going to show you proof that human beings are meant to be herbivores. We are herbivores from a biological standpoint. Here I have a picture of different teeth. Here's human teeth, herbivore teeth, omnivore teeth, and carnivore teeth. I'll move myself here so you can see the carnivore teeth better. But like you can see, herbivore teeth, they have grinding teeth, and the omnivores, omnivores and carnivores, they both have these huge corner teeth meant to tear flesh. And we don't have those at all. And we have, I would say we have more teeth like a herbivore, right? We have grinding teeth. They're meant to grind plant food. And also in the back, omnivores and carnivores, they have also cutting teeth meant to cut flesh when they're eating it. They cut the meat into smaller pieces when they eat it. They don't have grinding teeth like we do. So I would say we have more herbivore teeth, which I think is pretty clearly. So let me show you some more proof here. We have our digestive system here. We have carnivores, a human, and herbivores. So which digestive system do you think ours, this is our digestive system here in the middle, which one do you think ours resemble more? The carnivore to the left, or the herbivore here to the right? I would say our digestive system looks a lot like the herbivore one, because it's long and the carnivore one is short. And ours is long, and so is herbivores, because it's meant to digest all the fiber that is in plant food. Whereas the carnivore digestive system is very short. It doesn't eat too much fiber, because there's only fiber in plants. There's no fiber in meat at all. Fiber is a plant thing. And another thing is that carnivores, they have much stronger stomach acid meant to break down meat and all the bacteria there is in meat. We don't have that. Actually, we can't eat raw meat, which is why we have to cook it. If we have to cook a meat, how many carnivores do that? Otherwise we can't digest it. Maybe just small portions, but really we can't live from raw meat. We'll get sick. We'll also get sick from all the bacteria in it, because we don't have this strong stomach acid that carnivores have. Another thing is that milk, that goes for all species, both carnivores and herbivores. People, babies, they have an enzyme when they're born. They're born with an enzyme in their stomach that breaks down lactose in milk, the sugar in milk. And it's because babies live from milk. All babies, both carnivore, human, and herbivore babies, they live from their mother milk. But when they grow up, when they just a few months for some animals and also human beings, when they grow up, they start to eat other food. And then they lose this enzyme that breaks down lactose. And that's why many, actually over 80% of all human beings in the world have some kind of lactose intolerance, meaning they can't break down this lactose in milk, and they actually get sick from drinking cow's milk. And that's because we are naturally losing this enzyme to break down milk, because it's unnatural for grown animals and humans to drink milk. Milk is only for babies, and babies should only drink their mother's milk. We're not supposed to drink milk from a different species. That's very unnatural, and that's why it makes us sick. And also milk, because it comes from a cow that was pregnant and it had a baby, it had a calf, and the calf is drinking that milk, supposed to be drinking that milk to grow really fast. And therefore the milk contains a lot of growth hormone. But when human beings drink a lot of cow's milk, they get all this growth hormone. And what does that do? Most of us are already grown up, so it's not going to make us grow, except grow fatter. But it's going to make our cells grow, so it's going to create tumors. It's actually incentivizing the cells to divide more and create tumors instead. Cow's milk, any kind of milk, incentivizes the body to get more cancer. So that's another reason not to drink milk. It also gives us diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer, a lot of other diseases, and so does meat actually, which is another reason why we are clearly herbivores, because when we eat plant food, we have optimal health, really optimal health. But when we eat any kind of animal food, we get cancer, heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer, you name it, so many diseases, lifestyle diseases that comes from our lifestyle, and much of that is from what we eat. So there's many proofs, there's a lot of proof showing that we are actually herbivores. Yeah, comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to tell you more about it, and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Please share it with your friends and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care, bye!